welcome to the English Lovers by Honeydee. Welcome back. So after a long time I thought to make this video. Hope this video is going to be really helpful for you to understand something really special. Today I have brought some idioms for you that you can use in your daily life. So the first one that I have brought is be in one's bonnet. Be in one's bonnet, which means it collectively means like something which is like useless in your brain, or the person actually behaves nonsensical. For that person you can use this. Suppose you have a company of friends. A new person enters in your company, and one of the old guy used to talk nonsensical, and like he says something bad about the new guy who enters into your company recently. To calm that person down, to tell him that it's nothing to be worried about when somebody says something like that, so you can calm the person down by saying that the particular person who said something bad about this new guy, you can say to that new guy that this old man or this new old friend has a bee in his bonnet, so don't worry about his comments and statements, just ignore his sarcastic way of expressing his views. So you can use in that sense also, but that depends upon situation to situation how we receive comments. Okay, so the second one on the chart today is to build castle in the air. What do you mean by to build castle in the air? Nobody used to actually it's not possible to make castles in the air. Is it possible? No, never. So the persons who used to build castle in the air used to be quite imaginary person, never been realistic. Okay, the person who is not logical, has no logical sense, and has a logic but somehow imaginary logic. Okay, but no real in reality, in practical, the person is a loser in a way, we can say. Okay, like one connector I remember, that Sheikh Chilli, the person used to say so many, he used to boast a lot about himself, but in reality the person is nothing. Okay, so imagination, like he used to daydream. So a person who used to daydream used to be imaginary, um, but in reality the person used to be quite impractical. So for such persons you can use that, like for example, like blah 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 person, I will name a person, blah blah blah, has the habit of uh, like daydreaming, and he builds castle in the air. For that person you can use in this way. So now the third one which is on the chart is like to burn the midnight oil. Okay, what do you understand by the word midnight oil? Like usually it is used when somebody who used to be like do hard work, in a sense I can say, like the person who used to do hard work and stays awake through the night to work really hard. For that person we can use it. Nowadays the students are having the examination, the board exams are nearby, so that is why for those students we can use it to get good marks in the board exams. And being affected by the corona time, the students will really have to burn the midnight oil. Okay, in that sense you can use it. Or the students who actually want to write an essay, they can use it in their essay writing too, in this way or that way, depending upon the situation. Okay, now next one is hook or by crook. Okay, by hook or by crook, like by doing all the sorts of efforts, like whether good or bad, you want to achieve. When you want to achieve something, you have a goal in the mind, but you know that you have to, sometimes go wrong. Okay, but you are never worrying about it, and you are not shying from that to take that sort of step. Okay, that means you are using that method of by hook or by crook. Okay, if I have to reach to Canada, I'll use every single method that is in my way, so I'll reach by hook or by crook. But that's actually not the right way. Never use the hook or by crook method. Go by the simple method, straight method. Okay, apply for your visa and choose the right option by giving your exam. If you want to immigrate, then then definitely you have to give one exam. Okay, that is IELTS exam. Go for that. Okay, if you really want to go for permanent settlement, go for the general category test. General test, actually two modules, two methods to have the test. Okay, second method is academic. You can go for that too. Okay, don't go by wrong means. Okay, I never meant that by hook or by crook means you can use it for going to Canada like that. Okay, clear. So next one, which is the last one for today, is to be between the devil and the deep sea. That means you are between the problem. Okay, on one side there is a devil, on the other side there is a deep sea. That means you can't go nowhere, you can't go anywhere, I would say. That means on one side you have a kuwa, on the other side you have a khai, so you can't go anywhere. For such situations like you, which you can't actually get rid of, and you are in between, you are surrounded by the problems all the times. So for such situations you can use that. Nowadays I am feeling myself in between the devil and the deep sea. Okay, so in short story writing especially, such things can be easily applied, and in essay writing too these are applicable. More you're going to use them in your writing, more you're going to use them in your daily life. So so keep using all these expressions, which makes your writing, speaking beautiful. So that's it. So God bless you all. Take care, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates of the new videos, and share my videos with your friend and allies. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.